Location sharing is one of humanity's greatest inventions for providing assistance in ensuring a person's safety and security. Crimes such as kidnapping, abduction, and missing people cases can be reduced with the use of the said tool. With the growing realization that these crime rates are alarmingly increasing, the researchers have designed a mobile application to aid in these concerning times. Saklolo is an application for online communication with various features to aid its users. With its sleek and simplistic UI design, Saklolo is easy to use and navigate, making it accessible to children and the elderly. Saklolo will have a chat feature where its users can choose to share their locations with relatives as well as form parties or buddy systems with close friends. An online forum will be implemented for spreading awareness and a customizable emergency speed dial feature where users can immediately contact emergency numbers with one click. With Saklolo, the researchers hope to provide a safe space that citizens can trust and utilize for a sense of reassurance and comfort.